once again, more than any ticket has received in the history of America. Together, excuse me. Excuse me. Good evening, my fellow Americans. You know, in this battle for the soul of America, to transition of power, excuse me,
into his hand really freaked people out and was still coughing.
You can't handle the truth.
We have put together, I think, the most extensive and inclusive voter fraud organization in the history of American politics. Your votes were counted and counted and counted and counted and counted again. Have certified the winning candidate.